Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and 3/8 open-ended wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve supplies water to the ice maker and to the water fountain on demand. There are three main reasons why it would need to be replaced. The ice maker will stop making ice. There is no water at the fountain or it's running non-stop, causing a flood. The water valve leaks itself. Get to the back of the fridge. We need to remove the rear access panel. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, first take out one screw that holds the water inlet line and then take out the rest of the screws that holds the panel. Remove the access panel. Here's the water inlet valve, mounted on the right side. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the two screws out and pull the valve out. Place the towel under the valve. Using the 3/8 open-ended wrench, press down the locking collars and pull out the two front tubes from the valve solenoids. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove both wire plugs from the solenoids. Pull the valve further out and using the 3/8-inch wrench, press down the locking collar and release the third tube from the valve. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the tube from the water filter into the new water valve port. Make sure it's tight. Connect the wire plugs. Note that they have different size terminals and you can't possibly mix them up. Insert the ice maker and the water reservoir lines and check if they are tight. Remove the towel. Install the new water inlet valve, match the holes, and secure the bracket to the refrigerator with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Install the access panel with the top edge under the lip. Secure the access panel with the 1/4-inch screws. Secure the water inlet line with a single 1/4-inch screw. Turn the water on, plug the fridge in, and check for leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.